In a world full of noise, doubt, and distractions, there's a place calling hearts back to peace. Welcome to Tayyebah Academy, where Islamic knowledge is made accessible, meaningful, and deeply rooted in truth. From powerful blog posts and Islamic videos to reflections on Quran, Sunnah, science, and soul, our mission is to reconnect hearts with the guidance of Islam. Whether you're a student of Deen, a new Muslim, or simply seeking guidance, Tayyebah Academy is for you. A digital space for sincerity, wisdom, and peace. Tayyebah Academy is spreading peace through authentic Islamic knowledge. Join the journey. Learn, reflect, and share.